Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Aslam, and welcome to our channel in which we discuss various different aspects of the markets, covering equities, forex, commodities, and of course, cryptos. How can we miss cryptos? Because cryptos are something that we have been enormously focused on for the last few weeks, or if not months. So, in this particular segment, we'll be discussing why the markets are moving higher, what is really driving those markets. More importantly, where is the opportunity within these markets, because that is the most important thing than anything else. So let's resume our conversation. But before I do that, just a little bit about myself. My name is Naeem Aslam. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and as an equity trader for Bank of America. Now, currently, I work as a chief market analyst for Evertrade. So, in today's segment, as I said, the market, we are going to begin our conversation by looking at the equity market. But just a little bit of word of a caution: if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you do, because by doing so, it will give you notification and opportunity the moment that we go live. Now, number one, why the markets are moving to the downside. Doesn't matter whether we look at the US futures, whether we look at the European markets. Everything is very much moving to the downside. The reason for that is very simple, because traders and investors believe that the central banks are going to increase interest rate because inflation is going up. Now, that is not really going to happen. These guys, these central banks, they are not going to increase interest rate anytime soon. Look at the recent statement from Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve. Even at the Bank of England or at the ECB, no one is really too much concerned about this particular one. So, where is the opportunity? You may want to ask me, okay, then just tell us, where is the opportunity? Well, the opportunity is the market has been trending to the upside, whether we talk about the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, or the DAX index. All of them have been very much trading to the upside. So the opportunity really is that now, as the pullback is happening, this is our opportunity really to get into this market, to get back into this market if we don't already have a position. But in relation to Dow Jones Industrial Average, remember, few weeks back we talked about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the opportunity when it started to cross above the 50-day simple moving average. So we are very much in that trade, and there is nothing which is really stopping us. And then we still believe that the market is really going to continue to the upside. As for the forex market, yes, forex market, sterling dollar is resistance for a sterling dollar is still very much skewed to the upside. So we are going to see sterling moving higher against the dollar in the coming weeks. So any weakness, such as the one that we are seeing today, is an opportunity to get back onto this trade and then really ride this move or rally to the upside. Something else that we mentioned last week was gold prices. We talked about that, how lower gold prices are really of an opportunity. That trade has really worked quite well, or that opportunity has worked really well, because gold prices have been on the surge since we mentioned that, and then we have been able to correctly predict the movement. But remember, in trading, it is not about predicting the correct movement. In trading, it is mainly about the risk management, because remember, we have been wrong quite a few times when it comes to oil prices as well. We got stopped out because we were trying to go short on oil prices as they were going higher, and I'm talking about Brent. But because of the enormous weather conditions over in Houston, which is really put all those refineries to standstill, we are still consistently seeing oil prices moving higher. So going back to gold prices, if inflation is a concern, then we should continue to see gold prices moving to the upside. The critical price when it comes to gold price is really crossing above the 1800 price level, number one. Number two, staying above the 1800 price level, because that will only assure us that yes, now the trend has changed its direction and we are going to move to the upside. But overall, right now it seems like the gold prices are very much in a consolidation zone, this being your resistance, this being your support. Your support is between 1765 to 1777, and the resistance is between 1850 to 1870 price level. So these are the some of the prices that we really got to look at. So the moment the price goes over here, you could take the opportunity to short it. The moment the price gets over here towards the lower end, you can take the opportunity to the upside. So these are the sort of a price levels that we are really looking at. In terms of cryptos, which is really intriguing, obviously price made another record high of 58,350 yesterday on Sunday, and now prices are very much moving to the upside. And then that is what we are seeing in terms of Bitcoin price. Yes, we are seeing a retracement today, and that movement towards the 55,000 price level is quite an important one, because this is the opportunity which we have been waiting for a very long time. And if this consolidation and upward pattern continues, then this could be the only opportunity that you could have been waiting for. So as Bitcoin, so in very simple English, as Bitcoin price is moving to the downside, look for an opportunity to get back into the trade if you're not part of this trade. And that opportunity could be between 55,000 to 53,000, because prices certainly needs to stay above the 50,000 price level. The long-term price target in terms of a Bitcoin still remains at 65,000. That's all for now. See you guys next time.